Assalamu alaikum, this is Parush again, and another request from that same guy has requested me, welcome sir, can I have add a request how to save time in leaderboard to know how many time counting in game. And I have replied him saying a suggestion, but now I'm gonna do it. So that person wants that when the game is over and it shows the total point, he also wants to save the time. Let me test it first and show you. I start the game and this is the time that is counting, and when the game is over and when I click the save button, this point is saved on share object, and he also wants to save the time that was counting during the question session. Okay, so here I will first make a change. I'll make it this text field smaller so that I can put here timer text, or a text where I can count time. Okay, make it smaller, 20 will be better. Okay, not 20, 18 will be better, I think. Okay, done. 20. Okay, make it bigger and copy this both, paste it, and here just change this text to total time, and here also change the instant name of this dynamic text total time underscore txt. And now in the main timeline on the game, go to the action panel and just make a variable var total time, and that would be an integer equal to be 0. And when this timer starts and I want this variable timer total time to be increased, and if I trace it, I can find the actual time. Okay, so trace total time, and then if I test it, type name, submit, start quiz, and it is counting. You see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means it will work as it is counting straight. Okay, that means I can make it to be shown or save on share object and shown it here. Okay, so now I'll go to the menu frame, and here I'll just type a variable time 1 colon same symbols, I know that those who have watched my previous tutorial can understand easily when I type this text. And now copy this, paste it, and put a comma. Very careful, don't make any mistake. 2, and paste it. 3, and put a comma, paste it, and get rid of the last comma. Okay, and here where the leaderboard is shown, here I'll just type no. I also have to make another 4 text field for showing the time, so just make it smaller. Select all this, make it smaller, and copy all of this, paste in place, and then drag it this way, and this one make it smaller, and this one actually not rank, it would be score, and copy this, paste it, and this will be showing time, so it is time, and I think it is okay, and copy once more, paste it here, drag it, and change it. This is not compulsory. This is not compulsory. I have made it because it may look little bit better. And this one will be actual rank. Okay, so just change the text 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think it is okay. And now this is very important, change this text field instant name by saying time 1 underscore txt. This one will be time 2 underscore txt. This one will be time 3 underscore txt, and this one will be time 4 underscore txt, and go inside there. I'll just copy this one, paste it, and change it to time 1 underscore txt dot text equal to be saving dot time 1, and then copy this one and paste it here, and change it time 2, and here time 2, and here time 3, and here time 3, and here time 4 underscore txt dot text, and here saving time 4. Save it, and if I test it now, I should see this symbol here on the time. Okay, so control test, type any name, submit, and if I see rank and it is saying an error, Sometimes it says an error, so it is not like the text field doesn't like this variable, it's like only string, so change it for now, make it string, and then I will solve the problem. Okay, save it and submit, and if I see rank, it's showing undefined. No problem. Okay, we'll see about that later on. And now here this field, total time underscore txt, just paste the instant name dot text equal to be total time and plus this sign, not this text. It will be showing the time and this text, and this is total time, means here that I have a created variable and this is the total time, and here just score 1 colon quiz point, and it will be for time 1 colon this total time, comma, and this one will be time 2 colon saving dot time 1, comma, this one will be time 3 will be colon saving dot time 2, same logic, and time 3 put a comma first, then time 4 will be saving dot time 3, and I think it is done for first rank, and for the second rank time 1 colon saving dot time 1, comma, and here time 2 colon total time, comma, and here will be the same, and here will also be the same. For second rank is done, I think. Did I make any mistake? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Okay, and now for the third rank, first one will be exactly the same, and second one will be time 2 colon saving dot time 2 this time, and time 3 will be total time, and time 4 will be remaining the same, and for fourth rank time 1 here time 2 here, and third rank it will be time 3 colon saving dot time 3 comma, and the time 4 will be total time. I think it is done. My electricity has gone, so I'll pause this video and come back when my electricity will come. Okay, so last time we added these variables here, and electricity went off, and it is almost 2 hours to take for the electricity to come back. And here we have made some changes, and now I'm gonna test this movie and see whether it is working or not. So let me check it first. Time 4. Okay, and if I test it, name, submit, start quiz, Dhaka, 1971, China, 21st February, and it is showing both point and time, but it is not showing me the text here after time. I'll fix it later on. But if I press save, and I think there's something wrong here. Okay, let me check it first. Here there is still the instant name of these fields, and that's why it may causing the problem. So I have to remove the instant name here, and also I don't need this as a dynamic field. I'll make it static field. Okay, and that font look smaller. Make it, I think it is okay. And also get rid of the gradient. Okay, it is done. Get rid of the drop shadow. Sorry, I said gradient. I think it will do for now. Not okay. It looks very ugly. Okay, it will do. And this field is okay, and this one is okay. So sorry, that was my mistake. And I think if I test it now, it will work. So control test, submit, start quiz, Dhaka, 1971, China, 21st February, and it is showing point and time. And if I press save, and time and point on the rank 3, okay, I have to remove everything, and then I have to start it all over again, and it will be okay, I think. And it is okay, but here here when the game is over, it's not showing this text, so I have to either make it bigger or make the font little bit smaller. I think I should make font little bit smaller, and also make it little bit bigger, and this one too. And now here when I click yes, I want the score should be removed, the score, the time, everything should be removed. So here all I have to do is to just type time 1 will be back to the same comma, and copy this and paste it here, here, and here as well, and get rid of the last comma, but put comma here and change it to this one 2, this one 3, and this one 4. And first I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna test it and remove the score, and then I will start all over again. So control test, put any name, submit, and then ranking. Here I'm gonna clear the rank. It's saying are you sure? Yes, and it is okay. And now I showed you one problem here for the string value, and now I'm gonna delete this one, this string value, and see whether it's showing that error or not. I think it will not be showing the error any longer. So test it and type submit and ranking, and the problem is gone. Sometimes Flash behaves like stupid and I don't understand why, but so far so good, it's working. Okay, and I think I have problem with this text field. Now I think it is okay. It's looking so bad. No problem, this is not for this tutorial. And now finally I'm gonna test it. Test, type my name and submit and start quiz. Correct answer, incorrect answer. It is taking me 4 when I click the incorrect answer. Why? And I think it is okay. And 11 seconds. If I save, and it's showing me score 2 and time 11. And here I should also type plus and copy this and paste. And last time I think when I clicked the wrong answer, it skipped the third question and take me to the fourth. I think, am I right or wrong? Okay, let me test it again. Control test and submit, start quiz. If I answer wrong, then it is taking me to 2. Okay, no problem. Wrong. It's taking me 4. It is skipping the third question, and now it is okay. If I press save, it is also okay, but the problem is there. But here I have another problem. I have to give space here and test it. Whatever, ranking, and 11 second, 12 second, 1, 2, but I'll test it once more. What is the problem on the second question? Submit, start quiz, and here incorrect. It's taking me second page, and here incorrect. It is taking me to the fourth question, why, and here it is not taking the. There is some problem here, I think. I don't know why it is happening. What mistake I made, I don't know. Problem is here. When I click the incorrect answer, here I added answer holder before add event listener. Sorry guys, I think that causes the problem here to avoid error. And this mouse click handler, here I didn't mention this answer holder dot remove event listener. Sorry guys. And also when the incorrect answer is clicked, and this remove event listener should be here too, with this answer holder dot remove event listener, and that is the problem, I think. Okay, sorry guys, it was my mistake. Here I made a changes and here I didn't, and that's why it was causing all of the problems. Okay, and here I have to also, one thing I forget here, when I click add event listener back, here I have to also put answer holder dot add event listener. Okay, the problem was when I clicked the wrong answer, and here I remove the, here when the add event listener is being added newly, then this answer holder, this event listener was working without this answer holder. That means it was going back to the previous syntax, and that's why it was causing problem. Okay, sorry. And if I test it now, it should work. Submit, start quiz, wrong answer, 2, wrong answer, 3, yes, it is working fine, wrong answer, 4, wrong answer, and it should take me to the time, end point. Okay, so, and if I press save, nothing will happen because the point was not up to the mark. And guys, I think you have learned something from this tutorial, and I always try to make tutorials on request. And if you like this tutorial, please do subscribe me, and those who haven't watched my previous tutorials, if you want to understand this tutorial, you have to watch from this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one as well. You have to watch all these 3, 4, 5 tutorials, and then you will understand this tutorial. Okay, so I request you to watch those tutorial and then come back and see this one. And if you think that it is helpful to you and you have learned something, then please do subscribe me, put a lot of comments, share this video, and I'll be very happy. And I'll be very happy if you keep requesting me for tutorials and find out the problems of my project, and I'll try to work it out. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.